Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down and click on Location section. Now select this blue switcher next to Location Access, and after that, location of this smartphone is off. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same, now grey switcher. If you wish though, you can always go into Tab menu as well. Look for location shortcut over here, click on it, and manage location this way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!